Going on, everybody? I am here to do a unboxing of the Altafuse one. Never tried it out before. This will be my first time opening one up. I recently got into this, I think it was Instagram maybe. They were saying how you can make your butters, you can make tinctures, and I'm all about making your own medicine, so I think this would be a good idea for something for me to have. So let's see what they got in here. Got a box inside of a box. I might not supposed to hold that upside down, but you gotta do what you gotta do. The box is very nice, very sleek. Put that on there. See an image of the machine here, Altafuse Decarb and Infusion Machine. So yeah, infused drinks, desserts, food. I cook a lot, so first thing is inside they have a potency chart. That'll be useful. They have a kitchen conversion chart, how to use. So I get some very clear instructions. Oh, it comes with recipes. So if you don't have any clue of what you're gonna make, they got a couple of recipes in here on how you do things. Butter, MCT oil, honey, coconut oil. Those are some of the topics in the table of contents. You can make herbal oils, you can make butter, honey infusions, glycerin tinctures. It's a lot. Gummies. So that's good to have. I would never throw away the pamphlets, especially to these type of machines. All right, more instructions. Right there. We have, which looks like a cleaning brush. Okay, got a little funnel. For your oils when you're done. Probably for the ending process. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but from what I've seen, it goes inside the machine. Not sure what everything is yet, but we're getting there. Let's see. This ultrasonic lid is dishwasher safe. Please handle with care. Do not pull, bend, or twist the probe. All right. Looks like it's quality made. Everything is a bit. Nothing feels cheap. I don't know what this is, but looks important. I'll keep up with it. On to the big bad boy. Here is our machine, the Altafuse one. Hey, what do we got? Got American AC in here. Got that plastic away. Man, this mug is nice. To start the machine, please allow the plug on the ultrasonic lid. So the ultrasonic lid is this, I'm guessing. Oh, I don't have to guess. How to use. So I say you don't throw away the instructions. That. Nice little jar, nice glass jar. Oh, range for Altafuse. Okay, I like that. They have measurements on the glass container. So max is 19 ounces. You got a 17 ounce, 16 ounce, 12 ounce, and 8 ounces, which is the minimum. 8 ounces is the minimum. So boom, here we go. This part, it says, this ultrasonic lid is dishwasher safe. Please handle with care. Do not pull, bend, or twist the pole. Okay, I can get rid of that. That was a warning label. I guess I will put that in there like so. It's pretty tight. Oh, actually it'd be the other way around. You know what? Common sense told me that. Let's see. Guess it'll just fit in there like that. Okay, that's what we're starting with. I'm not really seeing where this comes into play, which it looks like a, I guess it would be something similar to a cheesecloth, like a drainer, like a something to stop the stuff from going down. Okay, I think I figured it out. I think it goes right there. Guess you would take this and put it here. That way your liquid can get in to your thing. My bottles are too little, so make sure you get the correct size. The correct size tincture bottles. Mine is not fitting, and this is the 2 ounce, I believe. Yeah, but I think I can still make it work. Yeah, this is the machine. Sleek. I like how it feels. I like the weight of it. Not too heavy. It's really actually portable. Got the scale on the top. It's actually very portable. Yeah. Can't wait to put this baby to use. I guess when I put it to use, I'll show you guys how it works. And thank you for checking out my unboxing of the Altafuse one.